Presenting Realme Gt6t 5G smartphone. This smartphone comes fluid silver and razor green color. It has an 8GB RAM and 256GB ROM. It comes with dual 5G SIM slots. The phone is loaded with the ultra bright display with 6000 nits brightness and Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. This phone uses AI model to analyze users' blinking and yawning frequency to identify fatigue, proactively adjusting color temperature and brightness for smart eye protection. The 8TL TPO technology, with its advanced pixel circuit design, achieves seamless frame rate transition, directly switching refresh rates to reduce flickering. It has a Sony LYT600 OIS camera with 50 million Ultra HD shots and Hyperlight engine. It comes with Android 14 operating system. It is powered by Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 chipset. The smartphone is equipped with 5500 mAh battery with 120 watts fast charging. The box includes an adapter, USB cable, phone case, screen protector, and quick guide.